DoubleTake Auto Supply in Fremont. Our work is done on this beautiful Audi e-tron in the house, you guys. Came in for our selling your car detailing service, even though they're not selling it. But I guess Dad ended up giving it to his son, so therefore I guess it's a transfer. But our selling your car detail service includes everything to make your car look amazing, to get it sold. He also went with our window tint. Check that out. Gave this Audi a nice sleek look. Our selling your car detailing package is 100% hand wash, nice clay bar treatment, nice carnauba wax, and then full interior cleaning with our absolute best, our interior deep cleaning with steam. Now let's check this out, you guys. So our interior deep cleaning with steam is the absolute best interior service because it's like your vehicle gets cleaned twice. So we first clean everything, all in your crevices, in between the seats, everywhere. And then we come back with the steam. And the steam is going to kill the germs and the bacteria that we can't see. So now this vehicle is ready for him to enjoy. This is what we do at DoubleTake Auto Supply in Fremont. So if you're interested in detailing services, paint protection film, window tint, ceramic coating, just feel free to contact us here. Our number is 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a great day.